Hello guys, I'm Aharon Quiz. To tell you in this tutorial with lives here, how do you go for Gmail recovery password in case you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone numbers. Yes, this idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost unfortunately his device, so we would like to recover. Because general method we are having these kind of problems and that I did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is really nice. And the Google is asking why it's because to secure your account. So we will have to provide enough information to the Googles and this idea can be recovered the easy way. But in case this tutorial will be very beneficial when the someone who has a hijacked, hacked, and stolen your Gmail password to change the everything now, once again you would like to risk option this because of your data privacy concern. Let's approach by how it is possible by alternating this can be. So this is latest guide of course that we can do a similar strategy. Let's demo that what we are having the problem here. Just we are in the recovery phase and here we can see that yes, now it's asking a password. We don't have a special the password, so what will happen guys here, just we will go for try another way. And we can see here it's asking so now last password we don't have. Now we don't have a phone number also, so without having the delay, let's actually now this option is asking so we can now here is having so this can so that we cannot try again. So because here is options that if account is your managed with your family links and then occurs, this Google will send you the emails to the reset of it. It means Google will contact to you via different email. Of course, we will have to provide all kind of the document evidence of props on the basis of Google windows to justify whether it is your or not. So that we cannot wait such a long time because the total estimated time can be expected more than 48 hours. Let's say it's a data privacy concern, so quickly we would like to recover. So just to tap on it, especially here, we will have to do an especially in the browser. Just to let it install. On the other hand, of course, we will have to go to some changes, especially in Google and of course Google Chrome browser. Both have the product of Google Chrome. Just to tap on the notifications, especially to make it off notifications, then we'll back so that we'll come the permission and I will come the permission what we'll do. Just tap on locations to navigate and to off the precise location. So precise location is off now. We will click here, don't allow any. So we see especially if you deny this permission, the basic feature of this device no longer has a function. 4 times family bench, no problem at all. If it is possible, then one more time we will have the back hand. One more time back hand. Here is the setting false. On these tappings, especially make it enable and we will go for yes, clear these things. Now we will go for cut it from here. Similar things, of course, we will have to go especially on this Chrome. Hold it, and this app info icons will be open inside. On that, we will have the tabs. Will come the notifications. Make it off. So now it's off. Now, what we will do just we will come the permissions to navigate the locations to make the precise location off. Yes, and then now we will go for don't allow. No longer the function as intended. Fines for timing and minutes. That's no problem at all. Yes, we will back. Let's move time. One more time. So now here is the browser apps and we will select some dash options. Now that we have the locked and everything is quietly good gone. Now so here is still not any problem. So just we will open these things and now what we will do? Just we will come on here. Now it's opening, so here will be a dot, so on this arrow just we will have to tap to continue and now we are on here in the search. Just we will pick this one and we will come on here. Now we will have to write this Google co.in, so of course we will go and we will tap on it. So now we are on here on this page. Now what we will do guys here, just we will tap on the silence. We will go for silence and then of course here we will have to write this ID. So ID we will write here. So X E of course R O X S A of course we will go for picture these ones, we'll go for next now. So now see we are trying to recover through this device VSLAMs in this browser. So now that we can go for forward and yes, so just we will have to explain the genuine. So just now it's sending us VSLAM code or verification on particular this device. Now just we will go for especially try another way. Now here is the having so the VSLAM the phone which we don't have actually. So now here is a more tips to recover this account. We will use these features. Don't use the answer as many questions as we can. So use the device where we signed in before. We are not in a position to track or reply of these questions. Third one is the family managed link. So 48 hours, of course, if you wait, then go for via different emails. And the fourth one is more tips to recover this account. So if we try again, so then what will happen, guys? Here, this account may be a phrase that if did not reply properly or did not fill some the forms properly. So in that condition, what will happen? We'll use this ones but via Google service. So the Google Assistant will automatically ask the recovery to this area. How it is possible? By tapping on setting, guys. Let's rescue now quickly. Yes, we will come in a Google service and we can see in a Google service what's happening. So here is a 3 dot and in 3 dot we will fix these help options, and after coming the help options here we will have options that is the consigning accounts. So just we will come this and now here is especially now you think someone else is using fines. We'll fix these ones and now secure these accounts, and if we tap on the securing these accounts and then of course review your account activities, and here is especially find out if your account has been hacked, and thereupon of course we will have the option that these changes to the tips option that now here we can see we don't have any option except the creating and the replacement of Google, and the second is avoid getting locked out of your Gmail accounts. And go further, then see here is only page that account recovery page. So just we will tap on it, and here is a very easy and smartly just we will fix this ID. Just let me have guys this ID. Fine, so we will go for here directly. Simply we will have to go for next, and we are directly here. What we will do here? Just simply don't click on a continue. Why it shows because would be trapping it's a verify your option. So here just we will have to go in and change the password, because why I'm telling you, so because you don't have the recovery email and recovery yes number. So that's why I'm trying to say here just we will change in the password. We will click on here, so we will have now a strong opportunity to reset, create a new password, confirms new password. We will go for change it. After changing and upon we will have to tap on especially this. You will have some, then this option will be open, and after changing manage your Google accounts we will tap on it, and upon of course we will go in a security center there, add the recovery email and the recovery phone number, so that this kind of incident won't be happen again, guys. Otherwise of course this can be once again. So that's why this is all about on a live screen that we can create and have the strong password, because we will have to deliver to this viewer, and maybe it's a data privacy concerns, and that's why urgently has recommended to me. So this is all about. So thank you very much indeed, and for any query furthermore and any notification, then of course you can drop the query in the comments box. Pleasure would remain, and if it has the benefit to you in any way to expand of course the spread your knowledge, then don't forget like, subscribe and share these contents, because this is things that will inspire and make such as informative tutorial further hands. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.